I'm Deborah Müller. I'm part of the ETH Zürich space team for innovation projects, and at the same time I'm also part of Space Exchange Switzerland, doing the whole industrial relations and also strategic technology mapping for Switzerland at European Space Agency. Switzerland is innovative, has a lot of high-tech technologies, and is also a very loyal partner. Switzerland has a lot of hidden champions. That's also why we have a high heritage in space technologies and space science. First of all, in the space science, we had already University of Bern with their first solar wind experiment on one of the Apollo missions, on the first man on the moon. Maxon then had one of their motors that were on one of the Mars rovers. Then we have, for example, Safran technology, timing technologies, which was the ex-Aurelia or SpectraTime, and which developed the atomic clocks and still develops atomic clocks for almost the majority of all the space missions for precision navigation and timing. So we have actually a lot of the whole value chain in terms of space in the space business, and we are hoping to even gather more and to be able to maybe have like Cheops at the time, having a Swiss-led mission in the future. We have a very high education standard also, and a lot of high-density education institutes and universities and applied universities in Switzerland that actually creates this talent pool. And as Switzerland is also quite small but also multilingual, it gives also this aspect of different cultures coming in, which is very important, especially for innovation. Space is very interdisciplinary, but where I see Switzerland as a main role, especially in space robotics, which we have a big heritage, especially in the center of Switzerland. Then in life science, I see a big potential. And then in materials, in photonics, quantum, and also in AI and data. First of all, why Switzerland can contribute? Because we have a high, as I said before, also high density of life science and pharmaceutical companies in Switzerland. I think so through that heritage, it makes it clear that it could be a good way of entering the path into space. At the same time, also in terms of topics, space can give a valuable or a unique environment for life science experiment, where microgravity, high temperature cycles, high radiation and vacuum, which can give actually an environment for research that is unique, that we can't mimic completely on Earth, and therefore you can analyze certain mechanisms and dynamics that you have in cells in life science that you can't on Earth. Switzerland is an innovative, reliable, loyal partner, high quality, and the Swissness branding is absolutely amazing.